Hello there, little stars. Welcome to Bright Star Education. I am so happy to see you. Are you ready to learn and shine today? Get your magic eyes ready, because today we are exploring the wonderful letter J. It's going to be a jolly, jumpy adventure. Let's go. J is for jam. J-A-M, jam. Jam is a sweet, yummy treat we eat with bread. Spread it on and take a bite. Mmm, delicious. J is for jelly. Jelly, jelly. Jelly is a colourful, wobbly treat that dances on your plate. Boing, boing. So much fun. J is for jump. J-U-M-P, jump. We love to jump high up into the sky. 1, 2, 3, jump! That was great. J is for jolt. J-O-L-T, jolt. A jolt is a quick, zapping spark of energy. Zap! It's fast and very exciting. J is for January. Can you spell it with me? J-A-N-U-A-R-Y, January. It is the very first month of the new year. Everything feels fresh and new. Let's start a brand new adventure today. J is for juniper. Can you spell it with me? J-U-N-I-P-E-R, juniper. Juniper is a beautiful green tree with tiny blue berries. It stays green all year and smells like a fresh forest. J is for jubilee. Can you spell it with me? J-U-B-I-L-E-E, jubilee. A jubilee is a grand and happy celebration. There are balloons and music for everyone. It is a giant party for us to enjoy. J is for Jupiter. Can you spell it with me? J-U-P-I-T-E-R, Jupiter. Jupiter is a giant spinning planet far away in space. It is the biggest planet of all with colourful stripes. It is amazing. J is for jewel. Can you spell it with me? J-E-W-E-L, jewel. A jewel is a precious and sparkling stone. It glitters in the light like a tiny star you can hold. Look how it twinkles in every colour. J is for justice. Can you spell it with me? J-U-S-T-I-C-E, justice. Justice means being fair and kind to everyone. It is about doing what is right and making sure everyone is safe and happy. J is for join. Can you spell it with me? J-O-I-N, join. To join means to come together and do things as a team. Let us join hands and be the very best of friends. J is for joke. Can you spell it with me? J-O-K-E, joke. A joke is a funny story that makes us laugh and smile. Everyone loves a good giggle. Ha ha ha, that is so funny. J is for joystick. Can you spell it with me? J-O-Y-S-T-I-C-K, joystick. We use a joystick to play our favourite video games. Move it left and right to have so much fun. J is for Jordan. Can you spell it with me? J-O-R-D-A-N, Jordan. Jordan is a beautiful country with red deserts and ancient cities. It is a land full of amazing history and wonders. J is for jaguar. Can you spell it with me? J-A-G-U-A-R, jaguar. A jaguar is a big, strong cat with beautiful spots. It can run very fast and climb high up in the trees. J is for jeep. Can you spell it with me? J-E-E-P, jeep. A jeep is a tough car that can drive over mud and big rocks. Let us go on an exciting off-road adventure today. J is for journey. Can you spell it with me? Journey, journey. A journey is a long trip to a new and exciting place. We can travel by car, train, or plane. J is for jester. Can you spell it with me? Jester, jester. A jester is a funny clown who lives in a castle. He juggles and tells jokes to make the king laugh. J is for jogging. Can you spell it with me? Jogging, jogging. Jogging is running slowly to keep our bodies healthy and strong. It is a great way to enjoy the fresh air. J is for jingle. Can you spell it with me? Jingle, jingle. Can you hear the silver bells go jingle, jingle, jingle? It is a happy sound that we hear at Christmas time. J is for jolly. Can you spell it with me? Jolly, jolly. Being jolly means being very happy and full of joy. Let's wear a big smile and have a jolly good time today. J is for junk. Can you spell it with me? Junk, junk. Junk is old stuff that we don't need anymore. Let's clean up our room and put the junk in the bin. Great job. J is for Jerusalem. Can you spell it with me? Jerusalem, Jerusalem. Jerusalem is a very old and special city with beautiful stone walls and a long, long history. J is for junior. Can you spell it with me? Junior, junior. Junior is a word for someone young, just like you. It's fun to be a junior explorer and learn new things every day. J is for jungle. Can you spell it with me? Jungle, jungle. A jungle is a wild place with big green trees, colourful birds, and many amazing animals. It is so exciting. J is for javelin. Can you spell it with me? Javelin, javelin. A javelin is a long, thin spear used in sports. Athletes throw it very far across the field. Watch it fly. J is for journal. Can you spell it with me? Journal, journal. A journal is a special book where you can write your secrets and draw pictures of your day. It's your story. J is for jigsaw. Can you spell it with me? Jigsaw, jigsaw. A jigsaw is a puzzle with many little pieces. Let's put them all together to see the beautiful picture we made. J is for jeans. Can you spell it with me? Jeans, jeans. Jeans are strong blue pants that we wear when we go out to play. They are very comfy and perfect for adventures. J is for jellyfish. Can you spell it with me? Jellyfish, jellyfish. A jellyfish is a soft sea creature that wobbles in the ocean. It looks like a floating umbrella in the blue water. J is for Job. Can you spell it with me? Job, job. A job is the special work that grown-ups do every day. Whether it is a doctor or a teacher, every job is very important. J is for junction. Can you spell it with me? Junction, junction. A junction is a place where many roads or paths meet together. We must look both ways before we cross. J is for jacket. Can you spell it with me? Jacket, jacket. A jacket is a warm coat that we wear when it is chilly outside. Zip it up tight to stay cozy and warm all day. J is for judo. Can you spell it with me? Judo, judo. Judo is a cool sport where you learn to be strong and fast. It teaches us how to be brave and always respect our friends. J is for jazz. Can you spell it with me? Jazz, jazz. Jazz is a fun type of music with trumpets and drums. It has a happy beat that makes you want to snap your fingers and dance. J is for jet. Can you spell it with me? Jet, jet. A jet is a very fast airplane that flies high above the clouds. Look up at the sky and see it zoom by like a silver streak. J is for juice. Can you spell it with me? Juice, juice. Juice is a yummy drink made from squeezed fruits like oranges and apples. It is so refreshing and full of healthy vitamins. J is for Japan. Can you spell it with me? Japan, Japan. Japan is a beautiful island country far away. It is famous for its pretty cherry blossoms, fast trains, and delicious sushi. You did a wonderful job today, my little stars. I hope you had fun learning the letter J with me. Don't forget to practice your words and keep shining bright. Subscribe to Bright Star Education for more magic adventures. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.